Yo, what up, fam? Hey, you guys know that ChatGPT has vision or not? ChatGPT, you know, that large language model. You guys hopefully have heard it, but it has vision. It can see. So what you got to do is you got to give it something to look at, right? So I decided today, I haven't used it that much, so I was out to eat with my dad and my stepmom at a pizza bar today. And I blew their mind and at the same time blew my own mind by asking it this. I asked it, hey, my friend just sent me this picture because they're at this buffet. Can you tell me what they're eating? And watch what it says. This is crazy. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Hit that like button as well. Share if you would. But also, I'm just glad you're here. I love you. Check this out. All right, here we go. You guys can see it now. Look at that. All right. Hey, don't hate, okay? It was pretty good, actually. But there's the food right there, right? Okay, moving down. Here's what I said. My friend just sent me this picture, and they're at a buffet. Can you tell me what's in the picture? Of course. From the picture you've shared, I can identify the following items. Now, what you'll see, which is pretty cool, is that it actually used it, like, I believe that it broke it up into different segments. So it's going to break it up into 3 big items, right? Plate, and drink. So right away it says a glass filled with blue beverage. And it was Gatorade, or was it antifreeze? Plain. But also, moving on, it says a plate with salad on it that contains lettuce and possibly spinach. And it was a mixed salad. That's nuts. All right. And then beyond that, it has everything else. It has this sliced boiled eggs, as well as the sliced ham. You can see right there. It has the sliced red onions. And it says ham or similar meat, and even diced. Like, literally. I mean, it's crazy to me. All right. Just kind of remember that. We'll go up and down. But it says some chicken and turkey pieces, which I did have. And then also it does say a serving of macaroni salad. Right there. Crazy. Creepy. Just playing. All right. And finally, it has that last plate. And this is where it kind of did one little mishap, but it's just because I stacked food on top because I'm a fat boy. All right. Look at this. It has pasta. But then look, it says possibly macaroni or rotini with tomato-based sauce. So not just that it says, hey, I had some pasta. No, it actually is drawing out the noodle as well. Insane, right? This is why it can create such good pictures, and this is why I harp so much, if you know me, about the essence of language. It's just, it can draw a picture for you. Then this is where it messed up. It says grilled or baked chicken breast. Now, this is what happened, right? I believe they're talking about this right here. And this is a breadstick. The pizza's under there. Fat boy. I'm a fat boy. But I think it must have gotten just some odd color combinations. And it thought that was chicken. There was chicken there, but I didn't have any. Anyways, finally, breadsticks or cheesy breadsticks, just to cover the bases. And the waffle fries. And it leaves me like saying, that looks pretty good. I tried to feed it. You can't. I wanted to get this for you guys because I thought this is amazing. Like, we literally have seeing robots for our own agency, like our own utilization. So if you haven't used this yet, try it out. You got to go to ChatGPT through OpenAI. I forget if you have to have the premium version in order to have this option, but I don't think so actually, because it is right under the default menu bar right here. Let me see if I open up a new chat. I can't actually show you guys on this right now, sorry. But if not, just know that it's capable, but it's also capable through the app as well. I've also had conversations with it. That's the conversational mode, where instead of it giving you back like you're talking to your school teacher, raising your hand, like I've had a one-on-one, and it's very respectable, first of all, and it's just it gives you like leading questions as well, which is awesome because what it does is it tries to draw out more in you. Now, everybody's scared of AI. Well, not everybody, but there's so many things that people don't know. And if you don't know, that's when people get scared. And so I'm going to do more of these to show you guys that AI is pretty cool. What I've heard is that AI can become something, ominous or dark and evil or scary or lethal. But it's going to have to come probably under the hand of a human. So let's get on the good side, yo. Be a Jedi, all right, before the dark side catches up to you. All right, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping in. Again, subscribe, follow, share, like, and I appreciate you and like you as well. I love you. See ya.